Welcome! Have you ever wondered how people start learning to code? Today, we're exploring an engaging and beginner-friendly method, block coding. Coding is the language of computers, essential for creating apps, websites, and games. But where does a beginner start? Before we dive deeper, if you find this helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video from Abdul Hadi AI World. Traditional text-based coding can often feel intimidating due to complex syntax and the risk of small errors leading to big problems. This is where block coding comes in as a fantastic alternative, especially for newcomers. Block coding is fundamentally a visual method of programming, making abstract concepts concrete and easy to grasp. Instead of typing out lines of text code, you simply use drag-and-drop blocks to build your program sequence. This approach is incredibly beneficial for beginners, as it removes the barrier of syntax errors and focuses on core logic. Each colorful block represents a specific command or action, like move forward or repeat loop. By connecting these blocks, learners can easily visualize the flow of their program and grasp fundamental programming concepts quickly. Platforms like Scratch are widely popular for implementing block coding, providing a rich environment for creation. Block coding helps students develop essential skills such as problem solving, logical thinking, and sequential processing. It's a highly fun and interactive way to learn coding, turning learning into a playful experience. Block coding serves as an excellent gateway to the world of computer science. It simplifies the initial complexities of programming, allowing focus on logic and creativity. Ready to bring your digital ideas to life? Start your coding journey with block coding today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content from Abdul Hadi AI World for more insights.